over 110% trading Netflix today, and this thing has been just on a massive run because of that huge gap fill on the daily. Yesterday we talked about the 3-bar play that triggered, and we took advantage of that, and today again it gave us an opportunity. But most importantly, guys, we know that on the flow side, first of all, flow alerts has become my new favorite thing, but on the flow side, we can see in the last 3-4 trading days, there's been a lot of bullish activity coming in, all for Friday's expiry. Look at this, 300, 300, 285, 300, 300, 300, 300, 310, all in, north of 200K in premiums. So we know that's on our side. We know there's a gap fill overhead with room to go at least to about, I think, 320 to go on the Netflix chart as well. So yesterday we took advantage of it, and today the game plan was, as soon as we break this 290.8, to take it to the upside as it could start pushing. However, just like everyone else, I'm human. I'm not able to catch all the moves, so I wasn't able to catch this move here. But that doesn't give me the right to FOMO and buy calls all the way up here, so when the stock plummets, I exit my trade for a loss and this thing continues going higher. The responsible thing here to do is wait for a pattern or pullback. We know sentiment on Netflix is extremely bullish in the last few days anyways, right? We know that. We know that's on our side. We have the flow on our side. We have the flow alerts on our side. That's confirmed. Now, when we're looking at a bullish, aggressive move out of the gates, our first pullback, our first, areas of entry are areas we want to look at, okay? And today, after this big aggressive move up on increasing volume, the pullback was on decreasing volume, and we put in this little hammer right here off of the VWAP. And that is exactly why I got involved right here. As soon as that candle was put in, I knew that that was a pullback into a VWAP. We ended up putting in a nice falling wedge as well, but my original game plan was this hammer buying pressure off of that VWAP area after a significant strong move. We ended up putting together a fallen wedge into the VWAP, into the 20 moving average, and it was just sayonara from there. And this thing just continued to push all the way up here for a move of 110% in less than 1 hour. All right, guys, so that is exactly the thought process here. And I kind of want to go back and show you guys the Netflix daily chart. For those of you that don't know, there's a big gap until this 330 area, right? Yesterday we talked about that 3-bar play. Today we saw the strength come back in, and really this thing is continuing to kind of slowly grind its way into that gap fill. All right, so hopefully you guys did find value in this. If you did, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.